7 reasons your small business isn't growing and how to fix it. Growth stagnation is one of the biggest challenges small business owners face. You start strong and see some success, but things slow down. Sales plateau, customer acquisition stalls, and you feel stuck. Sound familiar? The good news, every growth barrier has a solution. Whether it's cash flow issues, ineffective marketing, or lack of innovation, you can break through and scale your business sustainably. Here are the 7 key reasons small businesses stop growing and how to overcome them. 1. Resource constraints. The problem: limited budgets, small teams, or outdated infrastructure prevent businesses from meeting increasing demand. The fix: invest in automation to free up time and resources, e.g. CRM systems, project management tools. Explore alternative funding sources, grants, loans, or crowdfunding. Outsource non-core activities to focus on growth. 2. Market saturation. The problem: your business is stuck serving the same audience and growth has plateaued. The fix: identify new customer segments through market research. Diversify product or service offerings. Explore partnerships or collaborations to tap into new audiences. 3. Lack of strategic planning. The problem: operating without clear, measurable goals leads to wasted effort and stagnant growth. The fix: set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Regularly review business performance and adjust strategies. Align team activities with long-term objectives. 4. Operational inefficiencies. The problem: manual processes, outdated systems, and lack of standardization slow growth. The fix: automate repetitive tasks, e.g. invoicing, customer follow-ups. Streamline workflows using project management tools, e.g. Trello, Asana. Regularly audit processes to identify bottlenecks. 5. Poor cash flow management. The problem: even profitable businesses can struggle with cash flow, leading to missed opportunities and financial stress. The fix: create a rolling cash flow forecast, 90-day outlook. Implement stricter payment terms and automate invoicing. Cut unnecessary expenses and build a cash reserve, 3 to 6 months of operating costs. 6. Customer churn and lack of retention strategies. The problem: businesses focus too much on acquiring new customers and neglect retaining existing ones. The fix: implement a loyalty program to reward repeat customers. Personalize customer interactions, email marketing, exclusive offers. Actively seek and respond to customer feedback to improve service. 7. Failure to adapt to technology and innovation. The problem: sticking to old methods while competitors embrace automation, AI, and data-driven strategies. The fix: leverage digital marketing to reach a wider audience. SEO, social media, email marketing. Adopt technology that scales, e.g. chatbots, CRM, marketing automation. Use data analytics to track performance and optimize decision-making. Breaking free from stagnation. Hitting a growth plateau doesn't mean failure. It's an opportunity to refine your strategy and scale smarter. Action steps: conduct a SWOT analysis to identify internal and external challenges. Align your business goals with current market opportunities. Start implementing 1 to 2 of these strategies today. Small, consistent changes drive long-term success.